everyone, today I present you beef dipped in vinegar broth. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please share my video and subscribe. Thank you. So I have aromatic ingredients here: garlic, white pepper, green onion, and lemongrass, which I already crushed. Beside that, I have a pineapple, tomato, and broth. So in the pan, I have a little fat. If you don't use fat, you can use oil. But I like use pork fat or chicken fat. It's more flavor and it's safer to eat. So I stir fry on the aromatic ingredients, and then I add tomato, pineapple, and crushed lemongrass until they are all fragrant and cooked. And I add broth, and now I season lime juice, vinegar, chili sauce. In the broth already stock already seasoned, so but I like to season with fish sauce more. And you taste as you go. If you like a little spicy, more chili sauce, a little starter tangy, you want to add more lime juice or vinegar. And until you're happy with the broth, and that's it. Now to eat this, I have sliced beef thinly. You can slice it yourself, or you can buy at the store. They sell a bucket of sliced beef. You make sure that you get the tender beef. And you see, the broth is ready for dipping. You dip it in few seconds. You like medium rare or medium or well done. You can adjust it yourself. And I like to eat it with vegetables. I have mustard green, cucumbers, mint, fish mint, peppermint, sweet mint, and Okinawa spinach. And you roll, stuff with the beef and dip in soy sauce dip. I have the recipe full description in the description box below. So is the soy sauce dip. You can dip the beef and eat just like that, or with vegetable. And some people will eat with rice paper. Very tasty. Please give it a try. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.